Welcome, dear viewers, to our exciting exploration of the future of beer. Today we're embarking on a journey that will take us from the traditional time-honored breweries nestled in the heart of Germany to the cutting-edge labs where the boundaries of possibility are constantly being pushed and reshaped. We're diving into a revolutionary concept that's set to change the way we consume our favorite beverage, beer. Germany, a country renowned worldwide as the land of beer, is the birthplace of an innovation that's causing ripples in the global beer market. This innovation is none other than beer powder. The idea was conceived and nurtured to fruition by Stefan Fritzsche, the visionary general manager of the Neuzel brewery, who, along with his dedicated team, spent 2 painstaking years developing the formula for beer powder. The motivation behind this groundbreaking innovation was simple, yet profound. The Neuzel brewery, with its rich history and commitment to quality, exports beer to every corner of the globe. However, the weight of the glass and water in each bottle significantly increases the cost and environmental impact of shipping. Stefan and his team were driven by a desire to export just the taste of their meticulously brewed beer, not the unnecessary weight of the water and glass. And so, the concept of beer powder was born. But how does this seemingly magical transformation from liquid to powder work? When beer has fermented, it can be seen as a combination of water and dry matter. The freeze-drying process separates the two, and by combining these two elements again, you theoretically get the same beer back. Now, imagine a beer that's free of all packaging, a beer that's easy to store, carry, or drink anytime, anywhere. Sounds impossible, right? Not anymore. Welcome to the era of instant beer. All you need is a sachet of beer powder and some chilled water. Stir it, and voila! You have a glass full of good times, ready to be savored. This innovation is not just about convenience, it's about freedom. The freedom to enjoy your favorite drink without the constraints of traditional packaging. No more worries about stocking up the fridge for a house party or carrying around the weight of beer cases. The good times can now travel along with you, in your pocket, ready to be unleashed at a moment's notice. However, this innovation has sparked a heated debate among traditional brewers and beer enthusiasts. Some argue that beer powder can never replicate the quality of traditionally brewed ale. They hold the purity law, which allows only hops, barley malt, water, and yeast in beer, in high regard. Others are more open to the idea, seeing it as a novel approach to meeting customer needs and reducing environmental impact. The taste of beer powder is a topic of discussion as well. Some say it's not bad, while others note the lack of bubbles, a characteristic feature of traditional beer. But as with any new product, it will take time for consumers to adapt and form their opinions. As we look to the future, it's clear that beer powder has the potential to revolutionize the beer industry. Whether it will replace traditional beer remains to be seen. But one thing is certain, beer powder is here, and it's set to make waves. So, whether you're a traditional beer lover or an adventurous spirit open to trying new things, the world of beer has something exciting to offer. Here's to the future of beer, a future where the good times can be had anytime, anywhere. So, let's raise our glasses, or in this case our sachets, to a future filled with innovation, convenience, and of course, great taste. Cheers!